If you suffer from allergies, brain fog, anxiety, or an autoimmune disease, your immune cells are telling you something is off. While medication may be helpful to ease your symptoms, it doesn't do anything for the root cause. Luckily, for many people, the root cause can be found in their gut microbiome and can be fixed through diet and lifestyle. My name is Kim. Welcome to Gut Health Made Simple. After 35 years of oral and injectable medications, fluid being removed from my joints, and emergency steroid treatments, I began a journey to manage my rheumatoid arthritis with less of what man made us and more of what God gave us. And now, a little over a year later, I'm here to share with you the 5 things I wish I had known when I started my journey. Be sure to stick around for the last one. You might be surprised. Number 1, probiotics need prebiotics in order to do their job. We hear so much about the benefits of probiotics, but we rarely recognize that they're living organisms that need to be fed. Rather than sifting through all of the probiotics that you can find on the shelves and wondering if you've chosen the right ones, consider getting these restorative gut buddies directly from your food. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, yogurt, and kimchi are rich in probiotics. Eat these along with prebiotics. Prebiotics can be found in fiber-rich vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower. They can also be found in beans. Additionally, we can find prebiotics in fruits like bananas. Consider having a banana in your yogurt every evening. Number 2, added sugar is the most important thing to look for when reading nutrition facts. So many of the foods we eat are enriched with more sugar than nature intended. These hidden inflammatory sweeteners can be found in foods where we would least expect them. Things like bread, crackers, chips, and even protein bars are full of added sugars. When you're looking at the amount of sugars that are in your product, check directly beneath that to see what the amount of added sugars are. We want this number to be as close to 0 as possible. Don't worry, I've included a quick reference guide to all of these tips, and I have it pinned in the comments below. Be sure to grab that guide after you hear these next 3 tips. Number 3, saturated fat is not the enemy. In fact, in moderation, saturated fats have many benefits. Saturated fats improve our brain health by aiding in memory and focus, and they also aid in the absorption of nutrients like vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are essential for our immune system. Consider adding pasture-raised eggs, grass-fed butter, and grass-fed beef to your diet. Number 4, seed oils are inflammatory despite their heart-healthy image. Vegetable oils including soybean oil, corn oil, canola oil, cottonseed oil, grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, safflower oil are all highly processed and can even be extracted using chemicals like hexane. Additionally, because these oils are cheap, they are found in the majority of the ultra-processed foods that we find on the shelves in the supermarkets. And this leads to an imbalance in the omega-6 to omega-3 ratios that we are meant to consume. When cooking, consider using coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or grass-fed ghee to avoid these nasty seed oils. And then finally, the 5th thing that I did not know when I started my journey a little over a year ago was that prioritizing gut health actually works. It took me 35 years, and never once in those 35 years had I ever considered that what I put into my body was the reason why my body was fighting against itself. Even when I began this journey, I thought I might have been going down the wrong path. But this was the best thing that I could have done for myself, and I look forward to sharing this with others. Click subscribe below for more videos like this. And don't forget to pick up the quick guide pinned in the comments so you can start your journey with the 5 things that I wish I had known. Have a great day.